Today we're going shopping. We're going to see what we can find at the dollar store and we can create our garden theme sensory bin. I will walk you through what I find and some ideas that you can use so that when you go shopping, you can create your own bin. So let's go. When I think about the garden, I also think about muddy. So I'm starting my section in the kitchen area so that I can get some black beans. That is going to be my base. I didn't know if I was gonna need 1 or 2 bags because I needed the container. So I needed to look for that first. So what else is in the garden? Flowers. So let's go to the flower section and see what we can find. Sometimes you'll find things that are kind of loose and broken, and that was the case in this little plant. So I'm taking it. And in the book, there's a lot of veggies and fruits that the caterpillar eats. So I found this and I thought, hey, that's a great idea to add on to our bin. Not sure what I'll do with these beets, but they look like they belong in a garden, so I'm taking them. And hey, I found some flower pots. Flower pots, garden, I think they go together, so I'm taking this. In the craft section before I was leaving, I saw this little cute spring theme cutouts and I thought they were so cute. And right next to them, I actually found butterflies. So it was a perfect ending to our sensory bin. Now we're home, so it's time to create our sensory bin with everything that we got. There's a few things I didn't get, like a spoon, because I have that already. So let's go into the table and let's get our bin ready. Say cheese.
Cheese.
I bought this box and I didn't know if it was going to be useful, but look at this. Now you can make multiple bins and stack them up using this little box. I'll show you how.